Hi flutes, we're going to learn about how to play our F today. So if we made a staff with our hand, F would be the very top line of our staff. Oftentimes we use a saying called, every good boy deserves fudge, and that helps us remember the note names for our line notes. So every good boy deserves fudge. Here's our F note. So we're going to talk about how to finger the F note on our flute. So we're going to start with our left hand. And when we play, our left hand is going to come in front of the flute, just like I'm doing right now. So we're going to bring the flute in front, and our thumb is going to go in the back here. There's actually two places you can put your thumb. Up here. So you're pressing out all the keys, or just doing that little sliver key right here. Eventually, you're going to be using this one a lot. So I just kind of want you to kind of play around. As a flutist, I primarily use this. And I'm going to tell you why in your lessons. But you can kind of experiment with both, because there are going to be times where you are going to have to use this one as well. In your book, I bet you it's going to tell you to press down this one. But like I said, down the road, you're going to be primarily using your thumb B flat. In the front, so now we have our thumb down in the back. In the front, this key you're not going to worry about. When it's going to come down with another key. So you're going to skip over that key and go straight for the next key. After that, you're going to skip over this key right here, and the second finger is going to go down there, and then you have third finger going down there. So again, we have our thumb in the back, either one, skipping over that key, first finger, second finger, third finger. Now my pinky is just kind of hanging out, because eventually it's going to be pressing down this. Right now, we don't have to worry about that key, but you want it to be hovering above it, so this way it's ready to go. And then my pointer finger, you can kind of see it's curved and supporting the flute. With your right hand, see these three keys on the bottom here? My thumb is going to go behind this key. But you're not going to have it sticking out as much as I am. I'm just kind of sticking out so you know exactly where it's going to go. Once you have it down, you're going to slide it back in, so you shouldn't even be able to see it. So it should look like that. To finger F, we're going to put our first finger over right behind and right in front of our thumb. Our pinky is going to press down that little sliver key right there. And the other two fingers are going to hover above these two keys. Now, if you notice, I have holes in mine. Mine is an open hold flute that I'm using right now. So when you get older, this is what you're going to upgrade to. You're going to start to have holes in your flute. But yours are either covered up or do not have any holes right now. So again, thumb behind, then first finger down, and then pinky down right there. And that's how we're going to play our F. So when you play, it should look just like this. So with your right hand is just coming up, where our left hand is coming in front. Okay, so now that we have our fingers down, we are going to play our F. We're going to play for 4, rest for 4, play for 4, rest for 4. Now, if you have any trouble getting this down, take out your head joint again and really focus on getting a good sound on your head joint. If you can do it with the head joint, it's going to be easier to play on the whole instrument. Don't get frustrated. If you get frustrated, take a break and come back later. You will be able to do this. I promise. Okay, here's our F. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 2, 3. Now, if you notice, I'm not holding it way down here. I'm not holding it way up here. Holding it parallel to the floor. It doesn't need to be exactly parallel, but as close as you can get. Okay? And then if you need to go back and review, just keep on watching this video as much as you need to. And again, if you're having trouble with that F, just go back to the mouthpiece. Do some of these again. Make sure you're getting a really solid sound. Watch in the mirror. You shouldn't have a really big hole. If your hole is really big, it's not going to make any sound. So you need to make a really small hole. And lots of air. Okay, you guys are going to do fantastic. And if you have any questions over the weekend, just let me know and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can in Schoology. Keep up the great work, flutes.